How to make reels on Instagram. Make Instagram reels. To make a reel on Instagram, you can follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen to create a new post. From the options that appear at the bottom of the screen, select Reels. Use the various editing tools available on the left side of the screen to create your reel. You can add music, change the speed, add text, and more. Record your reel by tapping and holding the record button. You can record multiple clips, and each clip can be up to 30 seconds long. Once you're done recording, you can use the editing tools to make any final adjustments. When you're satisfied with your reel, add a caption and hashtags, and tag any relevant accounts. Finally, tap the share button to publish your reel on Instagram. That's it. Your reel is now live on Instagram for all your followers to see. Thank you for watching. MC Editor.